My name is Amal Raveendran. I'm a VP for Synergy Group. We've been providing metrology and reality capture solutions to the New Zealand and Australian market for the last nearly 30 years. We've been a master distributor for Faro Amatec and Faro Creoform for the last 14 years. For this year, we do have some very exciting products on display. We're bringing in a brand new Faro Vantage E6 Cracker, which is a 6-degree of freedom laser measurement technology. And we're also going to have our Faro Arm, which is portable CMM with a 3D scanner on top. And also we will be showcasing our laser projecting solution from Vertivision. When it comes to large part measurement inspection processes, this is the solution in the market. And it's also a game changer when it comes to alignment for shafts and any other machinery. It reduces a day's work to hours. When it comes to reality capture, it is 3D laser scanning. You convert this entire area into a 3D model that you can interact, take measurements of, analysis, or you can do design work. Imagine you need to go out on site and take measurements. With our technology, you could bring everybody into a boardroom and they can be on site. You don't really look at EMEX as a way to generate leads per se. You're bringing potential prospects and customers onto an area with an open mind to technology. They're looking around, seeing what other people are using, what technologies are out there. This is getting a conversation started or an idea planted in their mind, which then comes to fruition later. And Synergy as a company is very close-knit, amazing team. Everybody works as if the company belongs to them, which is a great place to be.